Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I want to review the Windows 10 latest version that was actually released by Microsoft this month, which are being installed right now on different devices. But mind you, you can see that I'm receiving a notification that the next version of Windows is available. So it has not been actually downloaded and installed on my device. So it's just telling me that it is available and it is available for me to download and install. So my question is, should I download and install now, or should I just wait and see if other users are having issues with this, and try to check the internet and see if other people are having issue installing this update? So if I go to the website of Microsoft, which I'm going to leave this link below in this video so you can actually check yourself and review the update information. Here in this website, Microsoft Soft always released information about the latest Windows update build. It releases every single month, like the monthly channel release. Here you can see all the different versions, right from the first version of Windows, which is 1507 to 1511, and right now we are in version 21H1. So it says this it says a semi-annual channel, and it was actually released on the 18th of May this year. And we can see the other version, which is the 20H2, was actually released last year. So you can just go on 2004, and then we have the 1909. But right now, if I go, let me just scroll down here, and you can see we have the version. Okay, this is the latest version of Windows, which is the 21H1 OS build, which is 19043. So if I go to my start menu and try to see which OS build I'm using, you can see I'm using the 20H2, and the OS build is the 19042, which of course is equivalent to this here. This is the 20H2 and the 19042, and the last is the 985. I think the 985 is this version of. I'm using this version right now. I think this version has not been installed on my device. So if I try to take a review of this update, this latest version of Windows that was released, so by clicking this KB5, the knowledge base 5003214, so it's going to take me all the way to this site. Here you can see it's actually a preview update, which means that this version of Windows is still being preview, and so there could be some issues with this update. And if there are issues with this update, Microsoft is always going to release some fixes in the future, but for now it's just being previewed. So I think it's a good idea to actually check this website and see what are the errors that are being detected in this issue, and what are the fix. So here let's try to see. It says these are the highlights of this Windows update that will be installed, and it says, let's see, it says improve the new and interest whoever experience to prevent accidental opening. And here you can actually just read some of the highlights, that some of the improvement that will be configured on your device if you installed the latest version of Windows. And also, if I scroll down here, you can see improvement and physics. The non-security update include quality improvement, key changes, include the build, include all the improvements from Windows 10 version. So what happens is, if you're using a previous version of Windows, every single improvement will be actually installed in this version. So if you try to download the Windows 10 operating system right now from the website of Microsoft, you're not going to download the older version. You're always going to download the latest version of Windows 10, which is going to be the 21H1. So you say no additional issues were documented for this release. And if we scroll down here, you can see known issues in this update. So here are the symptoms. It says system and user certificate might be lost when updating a device from Windows 10 version 1809 or later to a version of Windows 10. So here are some of the known issues to this update, which I think is a very good idea for you to review it yourself and see if you think you just want to wait before you install this update, or if you're working for a company and you are using like System Center Configuration Manager or Microsoft Intune to manage your devices, I think it's a good idea actually to not deploy this update to users device, or you can as well deploy it to just some specific users, which of course they can give their feedback after like 1 or 2 weeks to tell you if they have any issues or if there are any complaints from these users. So you can use that the experience from those users to actually review if you are going to deploy this on a mass base to different to all your users that are working for that for your company. Well, at the same time, we have, you can see it's symptoms, but we also have the workaround for all the different issues that Microsoft detected in this Windows update. So if you scroll down here, it says how to get this update. Before installing this update, it says the prerequisite is you must install the May 11, 2021 update, which is the KB500317, before installing the latest cumulative update. So if you don't have this update, you will not be able to get this latest update from Microsoft. So if I go to my update settings here, you can see I've been notified that to download and install this update. But if I go to, let me try to see my update history. If I have this update, which is the KB500317, and if I try to check the last update, cumulative updates, yes, okay, yeah, this is the update that has been installed. So which means this update has been installed on my device. That is why I have the option to actually download and install the latest hub update. If not, if I've not, if this update had not been installed on my device, I would definitely not be receiving that notification to download and install the version 21H1 update. And here you can see I have some other updates which have been installed. So almost every month, Microsoft releases different security or cumulative updates for your device. I think it's a very good idea to make sure that your device are up to date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to actually download this update and install, but it says I have a pending restart. So probably if I try to download, let me see, I think it's going to download. So right now it says downloading. So probably maybe the update may not install because I have a pending restart. So it will tell me to restart my device, and after I restart my device, definitely the update will start to install. So the download is going to take some time to download and install. So here you can see that the downloading is about 100%. So after the downloading have been completed, then it will start to install. You can see it's now installing. It's about 0%. So mind you, if you go back again, let me go back into the website of Microsoft. Here it says if you want to remove this update, I think after installing this update, it says to remove the LCU after installing the combined SSU and LCU package, use the this remove package package command line option with the LCU package name as the argument. Because if you install this update, I think you cannot actually just uninstall it by, for example, it says running Windows update standalone installer with the uninstall switch on the combined package will not work because the combined package contains the SSU. So you cannot remove the SSU from the system after installation. So the best way to actually do that is to use this DISM operating system package, which you can actually study yourself and get knows how it works very well. Because if you don't know how this works, definitely you're going to be getting a lot of error message. So I think my installing, okay, see it says pending restart, just where what I said. So if after I restart this device, then the installation will complete. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. Thank you very much and hope to see you next time. Bye.